Tricks to keep your bathroom smelling fresh all the time. I think that we can all agree that having a clean and very fragrant bathroom is the best. If you are worried that your bathroom will not have that nice fragrant after every use, fear not, because you can make your bathroom have a good smell simply and also effortlessly. Are you interested in knowing how to? Well, you are in luck, because that is something that we will all learn today. This easy trick will keep your bathroom smelling fresh all the time. Even if the bathroom is not one of your favorite places inside your home, having one that is clean and has a nice fragrant is important. I think that you'll agree if I say that the bathroom and the kitchen are the places inside our home that we all want to be clean and organized. Right now, there are a lot of things on the market that promises you that it will keep your bathroom in a very good smelling state, like scented paper sheets and air fresheners. Now, you might be surprised by what I'm going to say, but the secret ingredient that you can use to keep your bathroom smelling good is baby oil. Some of the items that you will need for this procedure is 1 roll of toilet paper and your baby oil or any kind of essential oil. This is going to be the smell of your bathroom for many days. So, be sure that you pick one that you like out of all the oils out there. Here are the directions. 1. Take out the paper roll that you are using or get a new one. 2. Put some oil onto the hole with the use of a dropper. 3. Be aware not to put too much, only do 3 to 5 drops, and that will be enough. 4. Put the toilet paper roll back to its holder, and you are done. 5. Start enjoying a bathroom with your favorite baby oil or essential oil. Are you wondering how the smell will be released? Whenever a person uses the toilet paper, the notion that the paper roll will be able to release the smell of the oil to the air. Isn't it super easy? Remember always to close the bathroom door so that the smell will remain inside the bathroom. Besides this very easy and simple trick, there are some other ways you can keep your bathroom smelling awesome. This includes taking out the trash so that bad odors will be avoided, set a day every week where you clean the whole bathroom up, wash the sanitary brush regularly so that bad odors will be avoided, and also keep the cleaning very efficient. That's how to make your bathroom smell good. Go and give that bathroom a touch of nice fragrance. Remember to subscribe, like, comment below and share us on Facebook.